Butt Incident by Matt Chow. You know, Mom, it's really hot today. Can we go to the pool? I say. You're right. We should go to the pool, says my mom. Pack your things, Aaron. We're going to the pool, I say to my little brother. Then what are we waiting for? Let's go, 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 says Aaron. We pack our things and go to the pool. Screech! We park our car. Then we run to the pool. It was a small pool, about 50 feet deep and 80 feet long, with a snack bar in the corner. Cannonball! I shout. Splash! Water goes all over the place, even on the snack bar. After a while of swimming, I get hungry, so I get out of the pool. But Aaron wants me to stay and play with him. But I'm hungry, I tell him. But of course, he does not care. Suddenly, he starts tugging on my legs. My feet are stronger, so I kick him hard. Then, surprisingly, he tugs on my pants with a strong grip. I can't pull back because his grip is too strong. He's pulling down my pants. I'm almost out. Hey! Aaron pulled down my pants down. Everyone sees my butt and laughs. Aaron's going to pay.